How's it going, guys? Junior here with Mustangs, bringing you back another video. In today's video, we got some Euro 1314 style taillights for my girlfriend's Mustang, and we're gonna go and install them and do a review.
Music bed.
Alright, so first things first, we unboxed them. Obviously, if you have a 10 to 12 Mustang, you're going to need to glue this piece on the bottom. That way you can fill the gap on the bottom, since these taillights kind of go like up and down, in a sense, like a V. So we're going to do that first, and then we're going to take these off. So obviously, pop your trunk, and then I don't have my tools since it's my girlfriend's house, but you just take off these clips, and then I'm going to have to fight with this with a flathead, the little push clips right here. But you take this off, and you should be able to access the nuts for the taillights, and then you should be able to take them off with just the ratchet. I'll figure out what size here in a second, and then plug them in, and you're good to go. Reverse it. So I'm going to glue those bottom pieces first, and then I'll tackle the trunk. So I'm going to do this first. Obviously, it's very easy to figure out which side goes on which side. I'm going to get some alcohol pads, wipe the bottom, glue that on there, and then we'll move to the trunk. Alright, so as you can see, we did get this piece on. For some reason, I mean, they're from eBay. They have 3M tip on both sides. I did have to trim the weather stripping here lightly, or slightly, because it was hitting on this, or it was either trimming the plastic or the rubber. So, obviously, we opted for the rubber, because it's going to have a gap here anyways. It's not like that's going to seal. So, we trimmed that, cleaned with some alcohol, installed it, so it should be as so. So, now we're going to do the other taillight. More than likely going to be the same process. So again, if it's hitting on the rubber, just trim it if you get some eBay ones. I don't know if you get the expensive ones, if they're the same way. If not, then, you know. This seems to have bonded pretty good. If for some reason it falls off, you can buy these separate, and I'll probably put the thick 3M tape on it. But for now, it seems to be on there. So I'm going to do this other side, and then we'll start taking apart the trunk to take out the taillights over there. Alright, so we got one taillight on. Obviously, you get your panel off. You're going to unplug your pigtail from here and then undo the grommet here, push it in. You got 3 nuts. On this one, they're 7/16. I don't know, your car, I mean, if it's metric, I don't know what it would be. But they're 7/16. So now we're doing this one. So same process. You got 1 nut here. And then behind the carpet here, you got 1 down here and 1 up there. So you take those off. You're going to unplug this one right here. They were kind of, so what I recommend is go straight out, because at first these popped out first, and then this one wouldn't come out. So then I just straight out. Simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off, and then we'll close the trunk. We'll show you guys how they light up. Alright, so this is the finished product. Took us maybe 30 minutes. We ended up fighting more with these. This side ended up being really nice. This one side won't stick. It's on there good on this side. Won't come off probably, but I told her we still need to do this third brake light. It's on my house. So whenever I do this, I'll do another video. I'll put nice 3M tape, like the thick 3M tape on this one. So I'll take this one back off, re-glue that. We'll do the third brake light, and we'll see what else I do. But we're going to go ahead and make sure they light up. So I'll have her open the door. That should turn on the lights. All right, perfect. They're nice and bright. Both sides work. And then now we're going to have her... I tested the hazards already, but now we're going to have her test each side, so she's going to start it. If you guys want to see the muffler delete, or if you're curious, I'll put a card above when we did the exhaust. So alright, so do the blinker to the driver's side. Awesome. Passenger side. Awesome. Turn it off. Hit the brakes. All right, both works. Turn the lights on. Let go of the brakes, turn the lights on. Perfect. Hit the brakes. Perfect. Okay. Now, turn, let go of the brake, try reverse. Perfect. All right, we're good. So the backup lights, as you guys saw, comes in the center, just like the 1314 Mustangs. So that's gonna be it. Now what we have left, like I said, is third brake light. I might surprise her and get the side markers that are LED as well, so it matches the whole combo. And I do have more parts in my truck, in the bed of the truck, that I got for this thing, which should, in a sense, bring us pretty close to completing this project. All we have left, of course, is also painting the front end, and we're probably gonna add a front lip to it as well, and it'll be done. Obviously, we'll polish, buff the whole car, restore the trim. It should be a pretty nice daily. Let's see here. So as always, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you on the next one. Peace.